This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 3, What to Listen For and Why. An old cab driver tries to share his grief about his son's death, but passengers disregard him. He finds solace in sharing his story with his horse, which listens intently. This story highlights the importance of truly listening in interpersonal communication as it shows care, support, and allows emotional connection between people. Listening involves focusing attention and foregrounding specific aspects, going beyond mere hearing and requiring mental involvement. We listen for information, thoughts, beliefs, emotions, and attitudes in interpersonal communication, as listening is a complex process involving memory, attention, and comprehension. Good listening overcomes psychological barriers of lack of intention or assumption of knowing all. Empathetic listening helps communicate better and understand others and oneself, making one a better human being and more effective in the long run. To become a good listener, one must listen attentively, speak less to understand others better, avoid frequent interruptions, and allow others to express themselves. Being patient and developing insight through active listening. Listening for disrespect or harmony in tone and attitude, and identifying mutual interests and goals are key strategies. Cultivating a beginner's mindset enhances perception and attentiveness in listening. Managing emotions becomes easier when aware of one's own emotions and their causes, while emptying oneself of biases allows for a fresh perspective and meaningful listening. Patiently hearing dissenting views without reactivity and listening for emotions, content, differences, and inconsistencies enrich understanding. In group discussions, one must listen for the intent and attitude of speakers, categorizing them based on their attitude to respond effectively. Assimilating information and classifying speakers develops as a habit, aiding effective communication. Truly listening fosters empathy and emotional connection, as listening involves focused attention and mental involvement. While barriers like assumptions can hinder effective listening, active listening techniques enhance interpersonal skills. Having a beginner's mindset aids perception and patience, while classifying speakers by intent aids group discussions. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.